All right, we're at the other Marriott at the at Niagara Falls. Oh, sorry. Oh, there we go.
와, 룸 한번 보여.
18th floor, going up.
호텔 8.
Does have some slight pre-door. All right, up to 23. So there's two Marriotts right across the street from each other, because that makes total sense. You'd think they'd spread out, but I guess not. All right, let's get a cab view up here. Here's your telephone. All the phones up here seem to be non-ADA. All the ones that I've seen so far.
Sorry.
You're good.
And then when I go to Toronto those days, I would just take someone to Swiss shopping or something. Mom is too tired from all this long day and traveling to Toronto. I'm like, let's go buy dinner.
I'm filming. I'm just interested in elevators.
Are you an elevator guy?
As long as you don't get me, I look ugly today.
I'll just get your good side, huh?
Yes.
Are you a Thiessen guy? You know, Thiessen Prep, the elevator company.
Oh no, I don't work for a company. I'm hoping to work for
Oh
one,
yeah?
but right
They
now,
need those guys.
I know.
Big times. A lot of them have retired. I heard from my manager because her husband
Oh
works with
yeah,
them.
yeah. A lot of them. Yeah.
A lot of them retired, and they really need those skills.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you're waiting for a long time for these elevators to
Oh
get
yeah,
back
especially in these tall buildings where they only have a few.
up. And we've had lots of problems because I work in one of the banks.
Oh, in one like the high rises in Toronto.
Yes.
Oh, I bet. Yeah.
Tons and tons of problems. Before COVID, it was worse. Now people are.
Oh, because they're less
Yeah.
busy now.
Well, now not everyone's going in at the same time. It's more
Mhm.
hybrid, so
I see.
less of problems. Back then, lots of problems.
I bet. Yeah, that's where I'm headed to. We're just here. We're stopping through because we're driving to Toronto.
Oh, nice.
And,
Where are you guys from?
I'm from Chicago. I'm with my friend from
Oh,
Cleveland, so we were
cool.
driving from there.
Nice. They're going to Chicago soon.
Very
And
fun.
I have family in Cleveland.
Very fun.
Nice.
Lobby.
Well, you guys have a good one.
Yeah, you too. Thank you. Are we going lobby for that? Yeah.
I'm just interested in elevators.
Oh, that's really neat. Just about 3 weeks ago, we had that one jam with about 8 people. That is going down. I'm just going to catch you on the way
stuck
up.
with a bunch of people in it.
Pardon?
That one got stuck with a bunch of people.
About 7 people. Yeah.
Good thing it didn't happen to me.
Yeah, no kidding. It's my first time ever in 4 years that I've worked